Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
As strong as Keith Lee is physically, he is that much stronger mentally.
I believe that's exactly what being limitless is all about.
And on the other side is Drew McINTYre, whose unchecked aggression has earned him the moniker of a Terminator, the man who is truly a danger to his opponent.
Drew's rage is at a constant simmer, ready to boil over at a moment's notice. I, too, have pity for his opponent.
Ooh. Knife edge chop.
Ooh, what impact.
Out of it in the corner. Oh, no. Superplex!
Man.
Setting him up for the flatliner.
Man, face first.
Clothesline.
What impact.
Earth-shaking power slam.
Great reflexes.
An impressive series of moves.
Looks like nobody's budging, Cole.
Boom! What a right!
Oh, good night. Sorry.
He's taking some good hits. No need to panic. He's still swinging. Giving a piece of her mind now.
I'm not so sure she can afford to do that, Cole.
You know, Keith Lee calls himself limitless. What exactly does that mean, Byron?
Well, that means his size doesn't dictate what he can do in the ring. He dictates what he can do in that ring. And there may be nothing more intimidating than a super heavyweight who can also move like a cruiserweight.
Tremendous agility.
Ooh, well measured.
Saxon, I'll give it to you on this. There's absolutely nothing more intimidating than a man who looks like Keith Lee, moving like he's Rey Mysterio's size. I mean, I could go for a little less of the bask in my glory nonsense, but Keith Lee truly does have the goods.
And what a reversal from Drew McINTYre. Great evasion. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Scoop slam! Oh, the dreaded claw to the shoulder.
Man.
Legs trapped. What's next?
Oh, what power.
Thunderous powerbomb.
Drew McINTYre has worn his Scottish heritage as a true badge of honor during his time here in WWE. He takes great pride in having been the first Scottish NXT champion and even had the New York Police Department bagpipe band play him to the ring at WrestleMania. Up and down, what a slam.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
He's getting beaten up out there, but staying strong.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
He goes for the quick pin attempt. Yo, he kicks out at 2.
Hey, I guess you never know.
Oh, what a boot from McINTYre. Devastating kick.
Oh, targeting the stomach.
Bang, right in the face. Gets him with a counter. Boom. Shoulders down. And McINTYre with a quick kick out.
Yeah, this early, no chance.
Caught him flush.
Drew McINTYre really needs to dig down deep and fast.
Boom! Did you hear the impact?
That's how you wear down your opponent.
Kick on the mark. And there's the cover. 1, 2, 3. He did what he set out to do, and that was win. The task was a mighty one, but look here. This is how you contain a Scottish psychopath.
Here is your winner, Limitless, Keith Lee.
You're looking at the winner of this one-on-one match.
I strongly suggest Drew McINTYre go back and watch this match. There's plenty that can be learned from this loss.
What a match that was, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.
Still trying.